Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to do long exposure photos on the iPhone. So first things first, let's bring up the camera app, and what you want to make sure is that live is currently turned off on the iPhone. So you want to press the live option at the top right hand corner, and as you can see on the top left hand corner, automatically this symbol pops up. And this is how you take long exposure photos on the iPhone. It automatically happens. So if we expose some of the light, as you can see, it comes down to where it turns off. You can press it to turn it off. And then if we cover up the lens, obviously you'll be taking a long exposure in a darker area, so it will pop up like this. You can also turn on the flash if you needed. And then once you see this 3 seconds, in certain conditions it will be longer. You want to keep the camera as still as possible and then press the photo taking button. So we press that and then the countdown will happen and that long exposure photo will be taken. So that's how to take a long exposure photo on the iPhone. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks all for watching.